Today we're going to be fishing at this bridge with bait casters and trying to catch pickerel. Let's see what we get. First fish of the day, nice little pickerel. Good release on them. So, fish of the day, nice little pickerel. Good release on them. Third fish of the day, nice little pickerel. This is the biggest one yet. This is my TV. Release on that boy. Woo! He got a walk.